So if I have two lines like so, and we know they're two lines, we'll call it, we got line maybe PQ here, and we got line, I'm going to say SR. Do we have angles on a line here? Let's think back to what we learned. Do we have angles on a line?
No, we have angles on
Do we have that too?
Yes.
I heard angles around a point and angles on a line. How do we have angles around a point? Mr. Eric?
We have 360 angles.
Okay, so you're saying if we combined all these angles together, we have 360. So does that mean we have angles on a line? No? Yes? Do we have angles on a line?
Some situations.
Santos looks really excited. Hold on.
All four of the balloons are 90 degrees. Then 90 times 4
It's 360. So you just told us about angles around a point, right? Because you said 360. What about angles on a line? Do we have angles on a line? Then?
It's like there's a say SR is a line.
Mm-hmm.
Then angle angle SLP would be one of the 90-degree angles on line SR.
Okay. And then do we have another one? What's the other one? RLP? RLP? Okay. So then we got our angles on a line. So we're looking at something else today. We're looking at vertical angles. So if we erase this, you can look at your book. It has a nice picture of it. If we have two lines, what do we have? We have E and F. If we have two lines like so, here, I'll use your straight edge. If we have two lines like so, try that again, that are intersecting, and we have four angles. Do we see our four angles here? We got one. What do they name this angle here? Q. What do they name this angle here?
Purple.
A.
What do they name this angle here?
Oh, that one was C.
Name it A.
The first one is D.
Yes.
Okay, what's the second one?
C.
What's this one here?
B.
B as in Bob.
Yep.
What's this one here?
A.
A. Alright, so, do you see that we have two lines here? They're not labeled, but you see that we have two lines, right? 1, 2. So, we know that if we looked at these two angles, we have 180 degrees, right? And if we look at these two angles, we have how many degrees? 180. So we have two 180 degrees. So that means when we combine these two angles together, we have 180, and these two angles together, that means we have 182. So what we're looking at, since we have intersecting lines, we're going to say, I want a different color marker. We're going to say that angles A and C are called vertical angles. You see what I'm looking at? Angles A and C are vertical angles. And we're going to say that these angles are equal to each other. If we have A and C are vertical angles, can we name one more pair of vertical angles? What's another pair? Leah?
B and D.
Angle B and D are also vertical angles. So, perfect. So whenever we have two intersecting lines, so I drew line here, it wasn't with the straight edge, I'm sorry, and a line here, and I labeled these, let's see, R, S,
T.
T, and U. What are our two sets of vertical angles? Let's do the same set of hands. What are our two sets of vertical angles here? Dalen? Never mind? You don't think you got it? Yeah. We're looking at this one now. Try again. You said R and T. So he's saying angle R and angle T. What else? We have one more set. Mary?
Angle S and angle U.
Perfect. Angle S and angle U. So know that whenever you have two lines that combine together, that intersect together, you're going to have 4 sets of angles, right, at least, or 4 different angles at least. And 2 of them, there's going to be 2 pairs of vertical angles. So let's look at, let's turn the page and look at number 1 on page 175. Number 1 on 175. You guys are, oh, you don't have to turn the page. I have to turn the page. Alright, why don't you guys do that one in your group? You're going to find the angle measures and you're going to label the 2 sets of vertical angles, alright? And we'll come back together in like 2-ish minutes. Alright? Go. Alright, let's focus back up here. What was our measure of angle P? Santos, measure of angle P. 60 degrees. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Does that sound right? Seeing some thumbs up. What about, what's the measure of angle Q? I think you guys are sleeping in your pajamas today. What's the measure of angle Q? 120 degrees. You didn't say in 120. What about, what's the next one, R? 60. And measure of angle S? 120. So I'm reading that we have, if our line is like this. Okay guys, if our line is like this, and our angles are S, R, Q, and P, you told me that, what was R? You just told me. What was R? 60 degrees. Q was? 120. P was?
60.
Oh, I heard 2 answers. What was P?
60.
60. And what was that?
120.
Do we have angles on the line here? That wasn't our question in the book, but do we have angles on the line?
Yes.
Whoa, I'm hearing a bunch of different answers.
Yes.
Yeah? Who can tell me why we have angles on the line? Naomi?
Since there are 2 intersecting lines, the 2 angles that go either above or below that line would be called.
So you're saying the 2 angles, so let's see, angle P and angle S, are those our angles on a line? Yeah, and what do they equal? What do angles on a line equal? 180, perfect. A little review from a few days ago. Alright, let's move on. I think you guys are picking up quickly. Let's look at page, now you have to flip the page. Page 176, do number 2. And this one you're naming angles. So we're going